Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, let's prepare the most delicious stew beans together. Yeah, I just pour my beans into the pot. I will put water. When it boils, I will just wash it and refeed it again. So yeah, I already do that. And yeah, I already wash it and I add water to cook the beans. I'm just going to add my diced onion and stir together, cover to cook. So that is what I just do now. I stir it together. So I will cover for the beans to cook. Few minutes later, I just open it and check on the beans. Now I'm going to add my fish. So I use fish for this recipe. It was so delicious. I had a little bit of salt on it. Stir and leave it to cook for few minutes. It was almost done. Now I just add the fish. Yeah, I have my pepper, bell pepper, and tomatoes and onion. So I'm just going to pour it into my blender and blend to be smooth. So let's blend it together, guys. I came to check on my beans. Few minutes later, I came to check on my bean, and I'm going to stir because it doesn't have much water. Stir time to time so that it doesn't get burned. That is what I'm just doing now. So I'm still going to leave it for few minutes, and I'm going to add my pot on the fire to fry the tomatoes and the rest ingredients together. Yeah, I have my red oil here. So I'm just going to put my diced onion on it and fry it for a few seconds before I will add my blended ingredients. Now I'm pouring my blended ingredients on it. I will stir and leave it to fry together. So guys, if you watch me to this moment, I really appreciate. Please don't forget to like, comment, share to friends and family. God bless you as you do so. I'm going to put my mangina and my blended crayfish. So I just pour it into the pot. I stir for a few minutes before I will pour it into the beans for everything to be well combined. I just stir it and I'm going to pour it into the beans right now because I leave it to cook a little for a few minutes. Now I'm going to pour it on the beans and stir everything together. Keep on watching, guys. Stir and leave it to done together. So I'm going to enjoy these beans with ripe plantain, guys. It was really delicious. Look at how beautiful it is. Tell me if this is not looking nice. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye bye.